Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making a no-bake coconut cream pie. So what are the ingredients of a no-bake coconut cream pie? Well, to me it's not totally a no-bake pie because you are going to use an already 9-inch baked pie crust. If you want it totally no bake, I would suggest that you use one of those graham cracker crusts. And then you're going to need one package 5-ounce instant vanilla pudding and pie filling, 1.5 cups milk, 1.5 cups coconut flakes, and one 8-ounce container of whipped cream. And you want this thawed. So let's begin. So you want to take a big bowl and dump your vanilla instant pudding into it. Then go ahead and add 1.5 cups milk. Take a mixer and mix it until it's creamy and it thickens. Alright, so the mix is thickened. And you want to take 1 cup of the coconut, dump it into the pudding mix, and fold it in. Then take 1/2 of the Cool Whip, 4 ounces, and put into the pudding mix and fold that in as well until it is fully incorporated. Then take the pudding mix and pour it into the prepared pie shell. Then go ahead and put the rest of the Cool Whip on top of the pie. And smooth it out. Then take 1/2 cup of coconut and sprinkle it on. And then we'll go ahead and put the pie in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to chill and set up. Alright, so the no-bake coconut cream pie has chilled for 2 hours. I'll go ahead and get it dished up, and then we'll get my husband to do a taste test.
Looks good. It tastes really good. Did you brown the crust before you?
I did.
Okay, I like that. Turned out really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.